Good afternoon and Merry Christmas in advance. Now, what could be a better time to start your healing journey than on the eve of Christmas? Make a promise to yourself that you are going to do your very best and put the very best for yourself and not put yourself last. So, healing. I had put a previous post on healing, and I want to tell you what are the three modalities through which you can heal immediately. If this is on your agenda of taking up your healing process very seriously, then these three modalities are modalities that you have to start working on. They're surefire, they're going to work, and let me tell you what they are. So, the number one thing that will really help you on your healing journey is mantra japa. If you can do chanting regularly for at least 14 to 15 minutes daily, this will make a huge difference in your healing journey. What chant should you listen to? Now, this is very personal over here. You can listen to affirmations, but more powerful than that is, of course, the chants of Devis. Okay, Durga Kavach if you want protection, Lakshmi for financial abundance, Saraswati if you think you need to improve your speech, because speech is not only talking, it's also about the way you deal with people, the wisdom with which you deal with people. You can pray to Mangal if you feel that you want to express yourself but you don't have the courage. Depending on the area that you want your healing in, that's the mantra you should ideally pick up. And if you pick it up, try to do it every day at the same time. Keep that discipline. And so that's the number one thing I know works is mantra japa. The second thing that works, which is really beautiful, is of course panchkarma. If you can go out there and get your panchkarmas done for at least 7 days minimum, this is like a bodily, mental, everything detox, and it'll really help you wipe the slate clean and start your new year anew. If you can afford to do this, immediately do this panchkarma. And the third thing that you can do is, of course, meditation. That is really, really famous and very obvious. And yes, just 5 minutes a day will give you a beautiful reset, will help you calm down, and many other things. Of course, these are the three obvious ways to start your healing journey. There are many others like pranayamas, like aura cleanses, which I do, which is a 7 chakra aura cleanse, which will take you about 25 to 28 minutes for at least 7 days if you can. If you can't, at least get 2 done from me, where I work on all your 7 chakras. I will give you the bija mantras, I will give you Reiki healing light, and clean out all your stuck chakras, figure out which chakra needs cleansing, and advise you accordingly. Make a 21-day program if you're up to it, to take it further and to take you further onto your healing journey. Now, if you do decide to go through with it and go ahead with the healing journey, there are some yums and niyams, some do's and don'ts which you have to follow, which are a bit stricter than your normal day-to-day life. So if you're ready to sign up for that, do come to me. Otherwise, you can just get a simple aura cleanse, 7 chakra cleanse done for 28 minutes, which is extremely effective in helping you clean out your chakras, clean out your past memories, and take out the trauma from your body. The idea of all healing modalities is to take out previous trauma, give you a fresh perspective, and to make you feel like you're back to normal. One of the biggest things about healing and about traumatic experiences is that it takes away ourselves from ourselves. And so the main thing that we want is, we want ourselves back, number one. Secondly, if we've lost confidence or self-esteem, we want that back, which is also very important for our day-to-day functioning. If we're depressed, we want to feel buoyant and joyous, and happy about life again. So healing involves all these things. And if you like my content and if you are enjoying what I'm putting across to you, do join me here on Instagram, Soma Mangnani, the Venus Whisperer, Queen of Prosperity. And you can also join me on YouTube under the same name, and I will help you on your healing journey and take you through the steps one by one without feeling overwhelmed or, you know, overcrowded, because there's so many modalities available to us today. A person is bound to feel overwhelmed or confused, but there'll always be that one thing that'll resonate with you, that will say to you that no, let's go for this. And whatever is that thing calling out to you, pay attention, because intuition is also one of the most important things in healing. It kind of, your inner voice also guides you and lets you know which direction you should take your healing journey in. So enjoy my content, and don't forget to put a comment and tell me where you are on your healing journey and some of your experiences if you'd like to share. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for joining me here, Soma Mangnani, the Venus Whisperer, on Instagram. Take care and have a beautiful day.